Historical objects which are a reflection of the fruitful life and fruitful activity of Mumin Qanoat were exhibited at the exhibition. Among them are works of fine arts, desks with words, memorable photos from different periods of poet's life, orders and medals, clothes, jewelry, works of the poet in Russian, Tajik and English languages, state gifts and etc. According to officials, a favorite example of Mumin Qanoat's work is available in several collections, including a collection of poems Sharura, Stars of the Earth, Roads and Wings, Waves of the Dnieper, Story of Fire, Surushi Stalingrad and others. One of the most important exhibitions is taking place today, and the purpose of today's exhibition is to show the life of Mumin Qanoat. The opening ceremony was attended by a wide range of scholars, writers, students and fans, as well as their relatives who expressed their views on the life work, creative and contribution of Mumin Qanoat in raising national identity and protection of state values. It was noted that it was thanks to the poets and struggling writers that the purpose of national self-awareness was revived and the Tajik language gained the status of the state, which was at the front of this process. Mumin Qanoat and other Tajik writers. Mumin Qanoat has made a worthy contribution to the development of modern Tajik literature, and different generations of Tajik writers have received spiritual and monetary from his work.